Now we're going to talk about pivot tables. Here we have a large sheet of data. It includes the customer numbers, the invoice number, the type of item, and the price that they paid. Now, being a large list, you can't really gather much information from this. So a pivot table allows you to analyze the data that you have in your sheet. So let's click into the field, go to the insert on the insert bar here, and we're going to insert a table to start with. And it's going from A1 to D 10,294, which sounds right because this is a large table of data. So we'll click OK. So now this is handy, but we really like to have a pivot table with this. So now what we're going to do is we're going to click the insert again, and we're going to click pivot table. So it's selected the table that you have done, and it wants to put it on a new worksheet which we'd like, and so we say OK. Now you're brought to a sheet with the pivot table set up, and you're given the fields in the top here, and you select where you'd like them to go. So what we're going to do is we're going to select customers, and I'm going to drag it down to rows. So now you have all the customer numbers listed numerically along the side here. The other thing that I would like to do is I would like to total up the price of the items. So there you have the totals for all these customers. Now there's one more thing that's on this sheet that I think we can probably use, and that's the type. So we have different types of items on this sales list. So let's take it type down and let's put it into the filter category. Right now it's displaying all. So let's drop the list arrow beside all, and let's select item. And we get a different view of the data. We can also try another one. Let's drop the list arrow again, and let's go resources. And once more we get a different view of the data. So here we have a simple explanation of a pivot table.